Creating a dashboard in Jira with filters allows you to visualize and track key project metrics. Here's how to create a dashboard and add filters to it. Log into Jira. Start by logging into your Jira account. From the top navigation bar, click on the Dashboards drop-down and select Create Dashboard. Name your dashboard. In the Create Dashboard dialog, provide a meaningful name for your dashboard. Optionally, add a description to clarify its purpose. See the appropriate sharing settings to control who can view or edit the dashboard. Add gadgets. Once the dashboard is created, you can start adding gadgets. Click the Add Gadget button to open the gadget directory. Here you can find gadgets like filter results, pie chart, issue statistics, and more. Configure gadgets with filters. Choose the filter results gadget to display a list of issues. Click Edit Now and then close to return to the dashboard. Configure the gadget by selecting a saved filter from the drop-down list. Adjust the display options, such as columns to show, issue count, and sorting order. Customize and arrange gadgets. You can add multiple gadgets to the dashboard, each using different filters. Drag and drop gadgets to arrange them, and resize as needed to create a layout that best fits your monitoring needs. Save and share the dashboard. Once your dashboard is set up, click Save to store your changes. You can share the dashboard with your team by adjusting the sharing settings to ensure that the right people have access.